Modestas Bukauskas is going to square off against Omar Sy. And I honestly think this could be a good fight for Modestas. This 6'3", 76 inches of reach giant out of Lithuania who lives in England right now. Bounced back against Christian Edwards, but he destroyed Paul Craig on the ground. He will defeated Jon Kutalaba, lost against Nikita Krylov, a very technical fighter who destroyed Rafael Srikera and Marcin Prachnio. So he has improved a lot, in his second UFC run. Only lost to Vitor Petrina and destroyed Zach Pauga, Tyson Pedro. Umar Sy is one-dimensional. He's more of a striker. He defeated Davon Jung, Bradson Ribeiro, Tuko Tokus. Yes, he's got some ground game, but he likes striking. Lost to Jon Cutelaba and Alonzo Manifield. I just think this is a perfect fight for Modestas Bukauskas. I'm having a feeling that Bukauskas is gonna get the job done in this fight. Pretty confident in it.